Inspirational photograph from Pinterest. The client picked out a safari theme for a baby shower setup. Let's get started. Rust orange. White sand. Eucalyptus. Chocolate brown. Add some giraffe print. And gotta have the tiger stripes for a big pop of color. Now we have about 300 size 12-inch balloons completed, and about 200 size 5-inch. Stacked in 6 towers.
Here's the other two.
Now they are bagged and ready to go.
Bags.
Time to set up. This is the first time with this new backdrop. In hindsight, we should have made sure the dimensions were the same. It was a much larger and different size than the original. I am starting to get frustrated because I see what's coming. Oh yeah, and a new auto camera device. We finally get the best dimensions figured out. Now it's time to hang some balloons. We start hanging the balloon towers upright. We quickly find out there's not enough balloons to cover the entire wall. To cover the entire wall, out to the truck we go. Let's blow up another 150 balloons. Got all the 12-inch balloons completed and put on the backdrop. However, there was a confusion on the location. So we moved it to the other side of the yard. Now we are adding the 5-inch balloon clusters. It's almost done. Added the matching towers for the finishing touch. Now my girls are ready for their pics.